Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliswaka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. iKaizer Chiefs ke idlala neCabuscop noma idlala neCabuscop kuphela imatch ngo-1-0. Kaizer Chiefs nge-90 minutes bafethu bekumele ngabe ishaya at least boma 5 goals lapha. Igame bokuyabo ebagejile abantu, wrong decision making. uLilepo kungaphasi kwakhe many times and makaphasa uluza ibhola. uSilva ungena second half, he was wasteful ke bafowethu. Ube nama opportunities ama-I2 golden opportunity ukuthi akora 1-on-1 no keeper wahluleka last minute, uhluleka ukubamba ibhola bafowethu. Nangiyazi into nje uthathwaphi lo muntu, so kunama questions abantu bayabuza. But ke songena ku game first half bafowethu. Igame masibheka overall iKaizer Chiefs izamile ukudominate lapha na first half. Na first half ithola ama opportunities amaningi kakhulu, moment of brilliance lapha kumdusha balala i-10 and pass yakhe. uCross naye bafowethu sibonile ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu before aphuma lapha nge-injury. There was a bit counter ama moments amancane siwabonile kuleya team le Cabuscop yakhona. It was over the bar lapha na first half, but uSolomons udlale kahle kakhulu bafowethu for iKaizer Chiefs lapha na ku right back. I mean siyazi ukuthi sinokumdoubt isikhathi esiningi, but udlale kahle kakhulu. uLilepo naye ugeje kakhulu bafowethu. First half uLilepo kumele ngabe ukorile at least 2 goals, but ke second half ukwazile ukubuya akore. uModi after ilona umistile after a good play bafowethu. No, it was not uModi, but there's a player lapha engilikhumulayo ligejile after uModi adlale kahle lapha eside lakhe wa create opportunity. ulona ngibona uMiguel inasho lapha first half give away ibhola simply, but lucky enough Kaizer Chiefs ikwazile ukurecover. Sibonile bekune form of miscommunication kancane kuSolomons no Peterson lapha emuva, but ke lucky enough uSolomons wakwazi ukuclear ibhola. I mean abamistile beKaizer Chiefs kaningi futhi angazi ukuthi ama-demons wa last season orini. Golden opportunity for uLilepo after good chance bafethu, good assist from uNgcobo wageja uLilepo bafethu. Great opportunity. I mean like iKaizer Chiefs ama-opportunities amangake wagejile bafethu. Yeah, uLilepo njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uluza amabhola amaningi kakhulu bafethu, but ke ukwazile ekugcineni ukulivalela phakathi igoli. There was a cutback laphana potentially from the corner. Yabona mangaya kuma opportunities kaLilepo, potential ukuthi uLilepo ngabe ukwazile ukukora bafethu maningi. uLilepo khona la noma uku-assist. uLilepo ufuna ucabangela yena kuphela, ufuna ukudlalela yena kuphela, akadlaleli team. Bekaningi la kumele assist team, but ucabangela yena kuphela. There was a ball lapha na first half bafethu, kumele ashaya i-cutback anika abanye abantwana. Uforced ukushaya ku-tight angle, there's no way akore lapha. La shayisa ugoalkeeper labuya. Sibonile nomdusha balala ube ne-opportunity lapha ukuthi akore, but kudlalela amakhamera. Angimazi mina ukuthi ushutha kanjani, ushutha ngathi uselokishini. Kuyadlalwa nje akekho serious. Ezinye izinto kumele azilungise umduduzi Tshabalala. La ngasho ukuthi abantu bayama-attack into engekho cause unamaphutha. Ngathi kusadlala umuntu ona 13 bafethu, lo muntu useka matured over 21, so kumele akwazi ukuthathela iy'nqumo ezi-strong ezikwaziyo bafethu ukusiza i-team lapha iKaizer Chiefs, because season izoba yinde bayawafuna ngempela ama-win. So abomduduzi Tshabalala mabadlalela ama-TV ngeke kusize umuntu ngempela. Second half mayiqala i-tempo base-low, sibonile bafethu beba-invite le team leyo ukuthi ikwazi ukukora, but ke lucky enough second half ayikwazanga ukukora. Ba-replace bafaka uCele, ba-change lapha uNgcobo, and then bafaka uSilva, ba-replace uDupreez. uSilva uthe nje ngena lapha ngasikudala wamisa i-golden opportunity yokuqala, wabuya futhi uSilva ekugcineni wamisa i-golden opportunity again. uMiguel ngimbonile consider ama-necessary push foul laphana, but khona negoli elisave laphana uPeterson bafethu straight to ikhona. But ke le team labe i-create ama-opportunities noma ama-chance out of nowhere. Lilepo 2 golden opportunities bafethu, or ube wasteful laphana second half naye, because bekumele enze into right. Kaizer Chiefs ibe nawo ama-counter attacks, bawubona ukuthi potentially ke bangakwazi ukushaya igoli, but abakwazanga ukwasebenzisa lawo ma-opportunities wabo. And then Frost labamfakele uSolomons. I mean uSolomons bafethu asibenifeke udlale kahle kakhulu. I didn't think beka-deserve ukureplace i-pace yakhe bebayidinga laphana. Frost la ungenile-ke, but ke isingene vele second half seyophela, so he didn't do much in terms of like the contribution, but simbonile phambili lapho nalapho. But Kaizer Chiefs khona la bebaleka khona i-agency, bawubona ukuthi ba-slow in terms of like ukupenetrate i-defense fast. Khona la bebathatha amabhola bawayise emuva ngabe baya-attack, because their team bese under pressure too much. Beyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyeza beseyithukile. Kaizer Chiefs they had to keep going. Bawa-createile ama-opportunities, but beba-wasteful bafethu bona kakhulu. I mean Kaizer Chiefs if bayafuna maybe compete bafethu ku-CAF kuma-CAF competitions mentally kumele babe strong. Khona i-moment la i-Kaizer Chiefs i-reacte almost wonke umuntu waku-Kaizer Chiefs u-reactile because loya muntu uziwisile wazenza uwele ngaphandle and then wabuya warolela phakathi egrawundini because beka-injured. So i-mental game at the end of the day bafowethu laphana mawudlala ku-African continent you have to know ukuthi bazoza nama-tricks okumele ngempela ukwazi ukwasurvive overall. And then ziye kuma-penalty-ke la sibone khona i-Kaizer Chiefs iwashaye kahle wonke ama-penalty wabo abenzanga ama-mistake bafowethu bonke abafethu bawashaye kahle. So i-penalty lokuqala sibonile laphana uPeterson cishe walibamba but-ke kube nenkinga nje kancane but-ke overall I mean it was a good game of football for Kaizer Chiefs. They created so many great moments. I mean if they lost this game I mean ama-fans bazo-explode ngempela because kumele i-Kaizer Chiefs ikwazi ukuwina ama-game especially on the continental level. They have to be there, they have to compete, they have to grow their brand on the global scale. We have seen ukuthi lokhu njana i-CAF ama-CAF football akhuphule iy'mali sewanika nama-players imali yokudlala yokungena laphana. So there's no reason ngempela ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingacompete this season or any other season. We'll be waiting for the next draw yabo ukubona sibona ukuthi badlala nayiphi team nanokuthi bazocompete kanjani. It was very difficult for them obviously to score goals. They created opportunities but into ebalekile ukuthi bakwazile ukuyithola i-all important win. Into abayidingayo yini iwin and bakwazile ukuyithola leyo win leyo. Well, disappointing from other players but you know it's a game of football. Sometimes you get opportunities, you take them. If you don't take them, oh, you pay the price. They didn't pay the price today because social media would have exploded. Niyalazi bomb. But-ke sosibamba laba futhi. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike, nisubscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika kubani